So I woke up this special morning and I was wondering why my face was looking so dull and boring. Then I noticed that my brows were so full and not carved. So I decided to comb it a little bit, but the combing were not doing any justice to my face. So I decided to carve it then because they look so bushy and unkept. So I ran to YouTube to just check out how to carve your brows. So when I got to YouTube, I just went straight to the search button and typed in how to carve your brows. So when I typed in how to carve your brows with a razor, I saw a lot of this thing popping up, and then the first one on the list was the one that interests me most. So I jumped on that. So immediately I jumped on that, I got a razor because I already have one at home. Just like the lady showed, she was using a razor. So my own is new, so I'm going to show you the pack. But the only thing I did, but I don't know if this was a mistake, was to break the razor into two, because I don't know if I can work with a full razor. So now we are jumping into the video. Like, I'm going to follow every of her step and see if I can get my brows well carved and not have to go through a salon or someone to help me do it. So the first thing I did, like she was saying in her voiceover, is make a straight line, which is what I started with, but I don't think I was doing justice to it. Something that is not your talent, my sister, is not your talent. You cannot do anything about it. Just see how easy it was for this lady to carve hers, like to make this straight line that she was talking about. Well, see me struggling just to make one. I don't know if her video was on fast forward mode, but everything she did was so quick that I had to take extra 30 minutes to get to where she was. So look at me trying to make a line, just like she said in her video. So I was trying to make a line, even though I forgot to brush down the way she said you have to brush down before you continue the line. So I was trying to make a straight line and I was being very conscious about it. So guys, the next thing she said you should do is brush up. And when you brush up the brows after making a straight line, any hair that exceeds that line, you are going to cut it off. That is the way to get a perfect line for your brows. So immediately I brushed up all the hairs that exceeded the lines I made the previous time I was cutting it out. So in my mind now, I was feeling like a professional because it was coming out well. What I was ordering was coming out perfectly well. And looking at the lady's video, we were working together. We were working hand in hand. But I was really slow. See, I even had to fast forward this video at some point because the slowness was beyond imagination, guys. So I tried my best to get the angle to cut off any excess hair that exceeded the lines I made before. And that is it. So the next step was to go below your brows and make another straight line like you did above your brows, if that makes any sense. So I followed her steps, but I don't think, maybe the way I was holding my razor was not the way she was holding hers. I think I just noticed from doing this voiceover, because when I finished making my own lines, the lines were not straight. It was not making any sense to me. Like, what was I even doing? Did they make this lady's hand magical? Or was it because I broke my razor into two? My lines were not coming out well. So this is going to be like a very typical what I ordered versus what I got. It's going to be so strange. So she asked to brush it down. Brush your brows down, then you, just like you did for the top part, then you cut out any excess hairs that exceeds the line you made before. Even though my lines were not straight at the bottom, I tried my best to cut off every excess hair I saw in my imaginary lines that I've made below. So this is what I was doing, and I thought maybe because I wasn't using a mirror, that was why I wasn't getting it right, just the way this lady's own is perfect. Or does she already have a perfect line before she started making this brows tutorial, or did she draw something? So I had to go and get a mirror just so I don't make more mistakes or maybe cut myself. So I got a mirror because I felt like I was doing it without a mirror. That was why the lines were not coming out well. So when I was almost done taking out the excess hairs from the down, it was coming out like it was making sense. So because this my bro had no ank, nothing, no shape attached to it. So when I was done, I thought it came out well until I looked at the mirror and I was so disappointed. Guys, please just rate what I have done here. So this is what I look like with the bro done, and then the other side not done. So I think carving your bro add extra touch to your face. Honestly, guys, just look at the way this place transformed. Even though the bro was not a perfect bro making, but it looks okay. So I tried doing the other part, but instead of boring you guys, I just decided to fast forward it because the time I took carving this part was longer than the time I took carving the first part. I don't know why. Maybe because it was just at my left hand side. So guys, this one was not perfect. It was not fine at all. So I just consoled myself with the saying of, your bros are twins, not same. That was what I was always hearing when I watch bro tutorial. You can't expect them to be perfectly the same. But this lady's own looks perfectly the same. Why? What did she do that I did not do? So guys, this is what I ordered. This is what your sister ordered. Hey, and this is what we got. How does it look? What I got. This is not fine at all. That is my rate. I rate it 0. No. Let me add 2, at least 2/10. How much do you rate it? How high do you rate it over 10? Please rate me in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next one. Bye.